Okay, my girl, I think this is the first mention for today.
Yes, bonjour.
Bonjour.
We are,
September the 5th,
yes, Thursday.
Thursday.
And we are in front of Maison des Anges.
Oh,
La Maison des Anges.
was it a nice, had a nice feed, did you?
Cute.
No comment. We had a nice,
My mom always told, well, actually not my mom, but I've learned have nothing nice to say,
this place here. Okay, we did have a nice Guinness, and then had a Grimbergen, had a burger.
I finally got my,
You were hunting a schnitzel.
yeah.
Yeah. You got a French schnitzel, not a
Yeah, the French schnitzel.
not an Aussie one.
Austrian one, yeah.
Yeah.
Overall, it's fine.
It was fun. Okay.
So, going now?
Going now.
We are going now, yeah.
We are. There we go. We're on board.
Yeah, we are in business.
Okay.
About it for today. We started. The water was a bit frightening.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Look how filthy the bikes are. Absolutely.
Don't look. Don't look. My green has become grey.
Yeah.
But overall, looks like we will have good weather.
Yeah. We've got a bit of blue sky, a bit of cloud, bit of threatening cloud over off in the distance, but we're going.
I want to do your.
We're going that way.
My boy.
Yeah. I'll do it up.
Okay. Au revoir.
Au revoir. From our lunch spot. Village sat on top of a hill, like thousands of others. Someone's left the bowling balls behind along here. Just a grove of olive trees.
First question though, did you wipe the lens?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we are now in the olive tree land. We just left Wantra, and it seems that it's a very Greek look like area.
Yeah. Or Tuscany in Italy. Very.
Not everything is Italiano.
No? Oh. What wasn't?
So it's like Greece.
Oh, it's like Greece. But I haven't been to Greece, so I can't say that.
That is you. I was making the comments.
Ah.
Something that we can look into next time. But it's very hot. Like hot.
Yeah.
Right, so it's a lot of olive trees and housing architecture is...
Espanol?
Okay, fine, it's Espanol.
I got in a word.
It's going on a dirt road.
Yeah. Well, we've come into the forest, and the road's been recently redone. It's quite okay. There's a little bit of gravel on it, but nothing bad. Here's a bit of rubbish. Car. Snow zone. Huh? We're only 600 metres up.
And I might have had some bushfires. The trunks look black.
Yeah.
I think 2 years ago. I would think. Looking at the forest 2 years ago, 3 years ago, they had bushfires.
Yeah. I'm
doing the commentary today.
I'm just keeping an eye on you. Sometimes you just can't
Nice
be trusted.
houses.
Yeah. That's a really interesting gorge. Hopefully.
I said it's like a 16 chapel.
You did say it was like the 16th.
Like a cathedral.
The Sistine Chapel, yeah.
Yes.
Michelangelo was up top just painting the roof. the gorge. Oh, good. Said before, we are in the thick of the olive growing area. Someone, well, not someone, probably generations of people have made these retaining walls and grown all the olives in it. Very old buildings.
Feels like that city that we had our savory crepe and they had.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
I don't know the name of the town back then, but yeah, it's very much.
And we turn right. Yeah, well, we didn't really see a lot there. The town was just beyond where we turned off, but yeah, just in the middle of bloody nowhere, on top of a hill of rock. They built a bloody great town. Of course, centered around a church. Just continuing our run through the hills. Big forest. I haven't really caught the name of it, but some big hills up there too, and some people have built into the hillside on the side of the road for some sort of storage, I would guess. Right at the top.
For the wine.
Yeah, it's for the wine, the vino.
Mushrooms.
Yeah, and maybe a little bit of cognac.
They don't drink cognac here.
No, but they might have to because they can't get the wine or something. I don't know.
But yeah, anyway, it's a
Jibber jabbing.
beautiful gorge
Yeah.
right next to a very big lime hill.
There's Alps Maritimes.
Yeah.
Parc Natural Regional Préalpes d'Azur. Well, I'm just reading it so I can understand what I'm going into. I see some cloud rising from the valley floor up ahead.
That looked like smoke.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
But no, I don't think
It'd be a
it's
bit
smoke.
wet for the smoke. Car behind you, I think.
Yeah, I want to let them go.
Beautiful view here. Long way if I lean over the edge on the bike. The cloud's starting to come up.
Even I
Oh,
can do it.
what was that car?
I don't know.
Looked like a McLaren or something. Yeah. Okay, cool. We go?
Hold on.
What?
Oh, yeah. No, I don't want to touch anything. I'm already getting a bit dizzy. Alright, yep, we go.
Okay. All good.
Now
Ah,
you can have a
Turbo S. Whoosh. You can see him coming. I'll wave him on. Beautiful view.
beautiful.
Yeah.
And that was La Clue. That's it.
So Lacaloo. Okay.
Coming with me?
Yeah. At 1600, oh, it only says 1100 meters. I don't know where they got that from. Maybe it was 1116 and I got confused. Campground on the left.
So tell me, what do you think?
I think it's a big rock. You can't even see the church up top anymore. Too close. Done.